Welcome to MyGuidance.ie. Let's walk through how to navigate and use the MyGuidance platform for students and for guidance counsellors. To begin, visit MyGuidance.ie. You can click on the thumbnail on ClassroomGuidance.ie or just type in the website URL directly. New students and guidance counsellors. If you're a new user, you will need to sign up. Enter your full name. Provide your school email. Please ensure the email is spelled correctly as our system doesn't look for email verification. Why are accurate emails important? Many students don't actively use their school emails and don't know or forget the passwords. If the email is entered incorrectly during sign-up, the system will accept it, but login issues will probably arise later as they will enter another version of that email. Create a secure password, alphanumeric with a symbol. Choose your school from the drop-down list. If your school is a gold or platinum member with Classroom Guidance, you will have immediate access to all 9 features of MyGuidance. If your school is not a platinum or gold member, the student will be brought to a €10 paywall. If you think there's an error here and you have membership, please contact us at info@classroomguidance.ie. Exploring the 9 features of MyGuidance.ie. 1. My CAO Points Calculator. This simple tool allows students to calculate their CAO points. Select a subject, level and grade, and the system will calculate the points. Students can add a 7th, 8th or 9th subject if they choose. 2. My Goals. This feature helps students set and track their personal goals. Enter a goal and identify 2 actions to help achieve it. Assess whether the goal is realistic. Set a target date for completing the goal. Students can save their progress and download a PDF version of their goal to serve as a helpful reminder. 3. My CV. An excellent interactive tool for creating a CV. Works well on both desktop and mobile devices. On mobile, students can use the dictation option to dictate sections like their personal statement or their work experience. The CV includes sections for personal profile, education, work experience, skills, interests and references. If students lack formal work experience, they can include informal roles like babysitting, lawn mowing or assisting at home. For skills and qualities, a drop-down menu is available, selecting options like teamwork, communication and critical thinking. This automatically generates descriptive phrasing for the CV. Save progress at each stage, then send the final CV via email as a Word document or just download it. 4. My Self-Assessment. This feature includes 3 self-assessment psychometrics, multiple intelligence tests covering the 9 intelligence types, occupational values assessment, interest assessment based on Holland's career interest model. After completing the quizzes, students can view graphs of their results and explore career ideas, subject choice recommendations for transition year students, study tips aligning with their strengths. 5. My Study, a dynamic interactive study timetable. Students can organise their week, colour code tasks and update schedules to stay on top of their studies. 6. My Choices. This section helps students explore courses at level 8, 7 and 6, but also level 5 and apprenticeships. Search by course code, title or keyword like engineering or accounting. View last year's points requirements. Link to detailed course information on Qualifax or the courses page on the college website. After researching, they can organise the courses by ranking them in order of preference with a drag and drop feature. 7. Educational Guidance. This section includes informative videos covering 14 key educational guidance topics. After watching a video, the student can take a short quiz to test their understanding. 8. My Guidance Report, a new AI-powered feature that generates a personalised report based on the student's input across the platform. Includes data from the CAO points, goals, skills, qualities and self-assessment results. The report reviews the student, offers advice for study and career exploration. It will also suggest potential careers and courses. 9. My Work Diary, designed especially for students undertaking work experience. Students can log daily experiences during programs like Transition Year. Use the speech-to-text feature on mobile for quick and efficient entries. In each day, the students are asked questions on different aspects of working life. They reflect on what they've learned and the tasks they perform each day. For school guidance counsellors, the platform offers specialised features for the school guidance counsellor. Log in as counsellor. Gold or Platinum schools have access. You will then see a list of students who signed up in your school. You can view their CAO points calculations, their goals, their self-assessment results, their AI-generated reports, educational guidance quizzes and results, and their course choices. Guidance counsellors can use this information in one-to-one meetings, preparing for one-to-one meetings, or when speaking with parents during consultations. That's a comprehensive look at the MyGuidance platform. We hope it will be an invaluable tool for you and your students as they take their next steps in education and career planning. Thank you.